Okay, next it's time to install the mounting hardware kit. Go ahead and grab your T40 Torx. And remove the screw. Then with your new kit, you see this double-sided stud with Loctite. This part with the Loctite goes into the fork. You're gonna grab chrome like acorn, hand tighten that, rubber washer, then grab your size 13 and tighten down. You want to do this on all four.
Hey guys, another tip: when installing these double-threaded studs, one end has Loctite, so go ahead and get yourself a bigger ratchet. It's going to make the process a lot easier than if you use a let's say a smaller ratchet.
Okay, to give you an idea how all this gets put together, first you want to grab this metal bar. You want to put it on top and line it up with the holes. Okay, once you have that on, you want to grab this bracket piece. There's going to be a lip to make room for the bar up top, and then the bottom piece should come out, kick outwards. And on this one over here, same thing, kick outwards. Once you have that on, line it up. Okay, you're going to put the screws on, turn it around. You're going to put the other piece of metal in the back, and the actual bracket, okay, is going to go like this. There's going to be 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. You're going to light it up. After you line it up, tying it down, you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get started. One more tip or piece of advice is, before you actually tying everything down, kind of mock it up and see how it goes. One thing to note, that there's going to be 2 screws that are longer than the rest. That is going to go the second one over from the top, because it has to fit this bracket, the one in the rear, and the mounting bracket. So from the second one over from the top, and on this side too, 1, 2, you want to go ahead and use one of the longer screws. And then here's the difference between the 2. All right guys, here she is all installed. Brackets are on. I would definitely get somebody to help you with this. So let's get a closer look. So you're gonna have 2 long screws, one here and one over here. This is where the long screws are gonna go. The rest are the same size. Turning it around, looking at underneath, you see the brackets, and the long screws again would be here and here. What I did was, every one of these nuts I would put some Loctite and then kind of form like a little pull. Then when you put the screw through, tying it up, and I did that with each one. Okay, so only thing left to do now is go ahead and put it on the bike.